Hello, my name is Ed Hickey, and I serve as Vice President of the American Association of Kidney Patients and Chair of the Veterans Health Initiative. A few years ago, I was diagnosed with chronic kidney disease and have been working with dietitians since that time to help slow the progression of my disease, an undertaking which has been very successful. AAKP's Medal of Excellence is the association's highest honor for healthcare professionals, recognizing individuals who are committed to improving and extending the lives of all kidney patients through advocacy, research, technology, and quality-driven treatments that protect patient dignity and fully align with patient aspirations. It is my distinct honor to present the 2021 Medal of Excellence Award in the Dietetic category to Schiro Harvey. Schiro Harvey has worked as a renal dietitian for 38 years and is currently Director of Nutrition Programs for Puget Sound Kidney Centers in Washington State. Ms. Harvey has authored, co-authored, and edited many renal nutrition publications, including professional manuals, textbooks, peer-reviewed publications, and patient education pieces. Ms. Harvey learned early in her career that by listening to stories about her patients' families, the food they like, their traditions, and how they plan, shop, and cook food, she can work with them to plan ways to eat healthy diets and live the life they want while on dialysis. Kathy, I turn it over to you.
Thank you, Ed, and thank you, American Association of Kidney Patients, for this great honor. This was an organization that was created by patients for patients, and to be honored by that group of people is the highest honor I could ever achieve. Thank you so much for acknowledging my work and the other dietitians that have been working for people with kidney disease for many, many years. I also need to thank Katie Wilkins, my colleague who is also receiving this award. Katie hired me fresh out of college over 40 years ago and inspired me and gave me the opportunity to stay in this field. I learned pretty early on that this is what I wanted to do with my life. Katie and I didn't have a lot of evidence guidelines to support us at that time. Renal nutrition was a new field, and we pretty much winged it. We listened to our patients, we gave them brief guidelines, but basically we learned from them what was going to work and what wasn't going to work to help them eat well, stay healthy, and survive on dialysis. Thank you, Katie, for this opportunity and for mentoring me for all these years, inspiring me to keep fighting for our patients. After a few years in nephrology, Katie and I ran into Jessie Pavlinak, who is also receiving this award. Jessie was another great inspiration to me. Working with these two women for years helped inspire me to continue the fight for patients with kidney disease and also to support nutrition research, nutrition therapy, anything we could do to help the lives of our patients and the people that worked in that field. So thank you, Katie, Jessie, and all the dietitians in this country, all the professional organizations that represent us dietitians. You have been an inspiration to me and have kept me focused on this field. But by and large, the biggest thank you I have is for my patients. People on dialysis are the bravest people I know. They are my heroes, and I realized this early on in my career. Even after a few months working in dialysis, I realized these people inspired me to make a choice every single day to live, to fight to live every day, and it wasn't an easy battle. So many things they had to overcome to survive on dialysis and have quality life. And I learned early on that it wasn't my job to tell them what to do. It was my job to listen to them and guide them on that journey. And for whatever reason they wanted to live, I was going to support that. That didn't mean they all did the right thing by my standards, but it meant they did the right thing by their standards. And those are my heroes. I think back on the thousands of dialysis patients I've worked with in my career, and I have such fond memories of so many of them. Their families, their grandchildren, their friends, all the pleasure and joy they brought to my life and the kind memories I have now of them. They are an inspiration to me, and it's because of them that I am in this field and continue to do this work, and that I am honored by the AAKP. So thank you to all the dialysis patients, all the kidney patients I've worked with, Together, we will continue this fight to conquer this disease and make life better for all people. Thank you once again, AAKP.